Oh, so-ke mina Zuko Ndolo. Ndizalelwe eFlagstaff original but I spent 3 years apha eMhlanga. Kulapha eMhlanga ndaziwe njengoZubra is my artist name. So eli gama le-artist name loZubra it comes from me being creative and ukuba crazy nokusa kwami ne. So kwakhama igama lokuZubra. So what I do mna for life now is I draw, I paint t-shirts, I do canvases, commissions, all type of art, and I'm willing to do even more so that I can upgrade my talent and my skill. I don't want to be left here. So basically that's me, Zubra Ndolo. Okay, like as mna ndinguzubra, where artist, visual artist, specific, creative and designs, I'm bringing design creative to show people because I'm wondering most creative paintings and all those stuffs they're not familiar with that. So mna to the BCC, I create that familiarity to amongst the BCC members and to anyone who's interested to become a BCC member and to the whole community of Bizana Eastern Cape Mampondweni. Basically. Oh, okay. So mna basically umsebenzi wami endiwenzayo I like to it's nature wise. I love nature mna. No, because ngikhula emakhaya, ngikhula izinto ezenziwayo emakhaya, ukumosha, ukuhlupha nokuqoqa. So mna I'm more closer to doing nature and little bit of culture. But something anything that interests enza abantu babe interested, yabona, it's nature, it's culture, it's all those things. So ubakho eBizana, abantu eBizana bathanda inkciyo, imibhacanga zonke zonto nemiculo yakhona abayithandayo. So a little bit of culture and nature. That's how I take inspiration from apha eBizana. Yes, my friend. So ukuba yiphathi ye-BCC like to be honest ukuncedisa kanjani? Oh hayi ngeshem ngingakwazi uyitsala. Ndingakwazi uyitsala manje ngiqale itsala kancinci yabo. Like generally like into yokuba yi-artist creative apha eBizana I feel like it's a pressure, it's a hard work, like nesengqondweni nakwi-mentality because people lapha eBizana they don't support these things. Like they're not willing to give out. They will support people already in the high places. They will not support abantu abalapha to the ground so that you can get up. Like umchita, like for example, uphuma eBizana, uSibu, Better Generation, uphuma eBizana. I'm sure uyasupporteka lapha. Wow, he have to go to another place so that he can be supported. So uba ku-BCC inika mna eya confidence, eya support but there are people in this apha emampondweni. Apha emampondweni ukuba eBizana bakhona abantu who like thina like who recognize a such talent, a such skill, like rather than uba kuthiwa mhlawumbi because most izikili ezigcweleyo mhlawumbi ukuthunga ntontoni so izinto esizaziyo but abantu xa athi uthatha i-drawing nansi i-drawing kaMandela be like is that a painting or a drawing wangekopi. Be like no it's a drawing be like hayi bo qobe ukuthetha okuqa kuphela so uba ku-BCC i-advise ingcithe ngayo nto ukuba see kumele confidence uba I'm not alone in this place and there are people who are suffering this the pain I'm suffering makes ease inhlungu yawo iyaphela uba chill Zubra izoba right le nto xa khona abantu ungekho wedwa simnandi sibaninzi andikho one. Yes. Okay. So mna like it's my kind of idea of life njengoku because I'm not studying yet but I will be soon enough when time is right. So my indlela yam like indlela endiphila ngayo ngokuba as abantu be-artists because mna specifically I love paintings and drawings and ndibuswa abantu abakude futhi abantu abakwechina iitala zam ezinye futhi zakwechina yabona like I want abantu people to recognize are self-aware babe aware of such things in South Africa apha eBizana uba you don't have to go to stay like Cape Town eJozi to find something. You can just come up eBizana endaweni ethile ngase-Spar ngase-Boxer you find a person who do the same thing or even better. I'm not trying to say I'm better but I am better somehow even better than umuntu mhlawumbe useDurban charging high prices and into yakhona and after some time uboma awuyithandi le nto ubuyithengile 10 years, after mhlawumbe 2 years later, xa nje iportrait uthengile uba nah, not perfect. So I'm not saying my portraits enzenzayo are perfect after 10 years, but say kind of example uba I want people to be aware of such things. And in 5 years, I hope abantu like who've noticed me and my BCC, like the group and BCC, because I'm not doing it for me myself now. Since I met the BCC, and this is for me, I have a standard that I have to live for, and in abantu and be role model, but role model whom I've seen, they've told me. So I'm not doing it for myself, for the BCC, for me, for nabazali bam, for nabantu abebhizayo abanditawutayo, of course. So that's how I see myself in 5 years, as a person who was recognized as one of the people up as Bizana, who were the ones or the few members, BCC members, the BCC members who made abantu Eastern Cape babe aware of such things. Eba into azenza Eastern Cape, azenzi makude macaleni, zenza lapha Eastern Cape izinto. Oh, simple. Simple, dog. Bro, believe in yourself. I know parents ebhizana mhlambe kuba ndikhule ebhizana. Parents ebhizana, they don't know a lot of things. It's your right, it's your duty as a young star to make them believe that you are a star. And you are a shooting star because you still have time, you are young. Bro, there are people like who are in 11 kuyo, but xa umbheka umuntu, he's 56 years old. He spent all of his time doing something angayithandi. I'm not saying don't listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. They're always right. But now make a living for yourself. Whatever you do, you are a dancer, you're an artist, you are a poem writer, you are a sculptor, you got a business idea in your mind. Make yourself believe in that dream. And then your parents automatically will believe. They won't believe something ulele wethu. They won't believe if you write a poem, because I used to write poem. The only way like by a poem, madapo, is story MLS. Yeah, but no one will believe you unless you believe in yourself. You start from your head, bro. And also no psychology. If I think if like paint, I have a vision in my mind and it's clear. That's why I'm driven. I'm not driven in indlela abanye abantu ba fast like that. I'm more chill sometimes. I know sangalis, but either way you must have think in your mind bayibethe engqondweni qala uyibone uyiphuphe xa ulele uba dog, I'm gonna be the best, I'm gonna be the multi-trillionaire in this world. Then you're gonna be the multi-trillionaire. You cannot be something ungakhange uyicinge engqondweni. That's all I got to say for ulutsha, because I'm the ulutsha, but the younger stars me uba believe in yourself. Make everyone believe you. Then, or if they don't believe you, find people who believe you. BCC example. People who know what you want. People who have same thoughts like you. Simple. So now usually Zopra's art or Zopra Ramate TikTok, Instagram not yet, Facebook, and TikTok or Facebook. But mostly if someone wants to contact me, I prefer Baba and WhatsApp because I don't post much for my reasons. I don't post much. The number yam is 078 434 82 82 55. 078 434 8255. Yes. Kahle ngicela ku WhatsApp. Yes. It's basically like that. Danko.